My name's Dave. This video directly answers Google's compliance review request, quote, a complete step-by-step screencast or video recording of the uploading process of how the videos are uploaded to YouTube along with the end results. It shows in sequence three things: the authorization, the upload, and the end result verified in YouTube Studio. So let's take you through those now. So we've just navigated to the landing page and we've clicked on the CTA and we're at the sign in with Google page. And then we're going to have a look at the standard profile and email API request, and we'll continue. Okay, so at this point, because we don't have the approval for the YouTube SSL scope yet, we show the unverified app warning. So we'll take you through that. Okay, advanced, and this is the scope, which will be subject to a separate approval request. This request is all about the quota, but for completeness, I'm showing you what's happening here. So we're connecting YouTube into the app. Okay, so we've landed. So the playlist has been set. It automatically detects the most likely playlist to be used, and we are ready to go. So okay, so after sign in, the user lands here. There's an explanation at the top there. Right, we've talked about the consent screen. Okay, so the playlist setup and approval. User is back in the app. Shorts has automatically selected the most active playlist. There's a playlist picker, so if there were other playlists, you could choose them. Probably don't care about that. You want to know about the upload process, so let's go through that now. Okay, so right. Okay. So before we do the upload process, you probably want to see, and for completeness, let's show you the dashboard analytics. So this is the yt-analytics.read-only endpoint that we use, which shows a 12-week channel growth chart and other metrics that users want to see. But you're specifically interested in the YouTube upload. So let's go and have a look at this. We'll upload an episode. So we'll click the upload episode. We'll go and fetch one. Here's an episode here. And this is the main screen that the user sees to set their parameters. Now we've already detected the main playlist, so that's being set by default. They can optionally set other information here. We're going to leave those. The next view in the dialog is the schedule for the user to consider. So this is based on the data from YouTube, the YouTube API, where we fetch what's actually been published, and then we look for what the most likely best slots are and allow them to set those. So we'll just take the default, which is the next one available. At this point here, we're uploading to we're uploading to the cloud. So we're watching the upload progress bar. We're okay. Pipeline processing has started. That's where we're at now. Okay, so we've uploaded. You can see that we've uploaded now, and we've got upload received, and we're starting to process in the background. It's safe to close, but let's just. This will take about 2 minutes for it to upload this 14-minute episode at 1080p. So let's just watch this. If you could, you're welcome to fast forward. It's going to take about 2 or 3 minutes. So it's uploaded, and we're now transcribing that episode so we can give the transcription across to Gemini. Gemini will do all the hard work for us, and it'll find the best title, description, other information that it needs from the submitted video to prepare the package for posting up to YouTube. Okay, writing, uploading. So if I flick across to YouTube now, let me just tidy this up for us. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so right, so the episode is now uploaded. We can view it in uploads, which is this page. Here it is here. So we've got the premiere, and we've got the job ID, and we've got the YouTube ID. So we can go out and look at this episode, which is processing. We should be able to see the title. Here we go. There's the title there on YouTube. We go back to the table. We'll look at this card. It's VP Vance and Presec Levitt explain blah blah blah. And this is VP Vance and Presec. So there you go. So it's matching. And then if we look at the last three words, and the description is during a shutdown, and they should match in here down in the description for chapters. And let's go all the way down here. There you go, during a shutdown. So this is what Gemini is doing for us. And this is such a time saver. I've got my own channel, and it's just, I built this for my own channel because it's just a lot of work doing a daily show and then managing all this stuff. So it is an absolutely awesome, it's a really awesome feature and yeah, and that's the whole idea, is to build something that's actually useful to people like me. So let's go back to this instead of preaching. And what else do you need to know? Let me just read my notes. Yeah, when the phase reaches adding to playlist, let's just check that it's been added to the playlist. You might have an interest in that. There it is. Here. Okay, so you can see that the thumbnail's been set. The thumbnail's been, basically it extracts the thumbnail from the first frame in the episode, and then it sets the playlist per the app, and then you can see that it's posting the description and the timestamps and the title as per the app. So what else we've got here? So the video is now live on YouTube, and it's in the playlist. Now, what do we do with scheduling for this one? Visibility is pending, so we've set that to be premiered at 6 June GMT. So we actually can't see that in here yet because it's pending. So I guess we've got to wait. Oh, here we go. No, there it is. It is set. Okay. Right. Okay. I mean, it's saying pending at the moment, but I presume that's going to set. It always sets to the correct timestamp. Okay, so, and I've verified in YouTube Studio, and let's just see if the video is showing yet. No, we can wait if you want. I'm not sure if you're interested. This video is still being processed, yeah, whatever. And oh, here it is here, so we might be able to play it. No, we can't yet. Still uploading. Okay, so it's a, what is it, 12-minute video, so it's probably going to take 10 minutes to upload. So maybe I'll just leave the screen open. You might want to see it being uploaded, uh, being confirmed. Okay, let's just wait a bit. I'll just read the rest of my notes out. Verified in YouTube Studio. So look, that's it. That's basically the upload process for the app. It's a new feature. I've been working flat out to try and get this live, and it's live now. So obviously we can't offer it as a paid service or even as a free service until we've got quota. That's the whole purpose of requesting quota, because we've got over 100 users now that have signed up and signed in. And oh, here we go. Great. So it's scheduled now. Let me show you that. Hopefully we can show you the video. It's playing. So let's go back out here. Yeah, right. There you go. So, and it's playing. All right. And we'll go back to we can see that it's now scheduled, and we can, sorry to jump all over the place, but you can see that it's scheduled for that same date that's in the app. So yeah, so let me go back to my notes just to wrap. Uh, yeah, so everything is uploaded. We use, so that the three API calls in sequence that are used are videos.insert, thumbnails.set, and playlist items.insert, all triggered by a user's single upload action, and all authorized by the OAuth grant that we saw earlier. Um, yeah, users can control their YouTube account. We basically allow them to disconnect their YouTube account. Of course, they can just do that in here if they want to. By in my account, they could just pull it out here. But if they want to, they can also control their connections in here, so they can reconnect, view channel, and yeah, there's lots of other options in there for them to do. So close and summary. Okay, so to summarize what this recording has shown in direct response to the Google review request, the uploading process: a user uploads a video through the Shorts dashboard, a file is transferred to our processing queue, it's submitted to YouTube via videos.insert, one call once per upload using credentials the user has explicitly granted. It's the key message there. The end result is the video is live on the user's YouTube channel. A custom thumbnail has been applied via thumbnails.set. The video has been added to the user's selected playlist via playlist items.insert. All three results are visible and confirmed in the YouTube Studio. Every API call is user initiated. It's scoped to that user's own channel, and it requires explicit OAuth consent before any call is made. The user can revoke access at any time from the account page. So that's it. I'm so sorry it's a long video, but there's quite a lot to take you through, I think, to answer the question that came through. So yeah, that's it. Thanks very much for for watching all this. Cheers. Bye.